right, we have some news just coming in. Let's go straight to these developments. Mahayuti announces 10 crore for Maharashtra Waqf Board. BJP against Waqf properties in the centre, but different approach. It's clear in the state of Maharashtra. The state government has announced an immediate allocation of 10 crore rupees to strengthen the state Waqf Board. A government resolution in this effect has been issued by the Department of Minorities. During the election campaign, the BJP, a key member of the Mahayuti government, had raised concerns regarding the management of the Waqf Board. However, following the election results, the Mahayuti government has taken a decisive step by approving funds to enhance the functioning and infrastructure of the Waqf Board. Is the BJP not then singing a different tune in the state of Maharashtra by very publicly first at the centre wanting to bring about the bill to clip the wings of the Waqf Board, but now it is announcing 10 crores for the state Waqf Board. Omkar Wable getting in more details. Omkar, just give us a sense of under whose department does this really fall? Who is the authority or the minister in charge of this decision, and what prompted it to begin with?
Well, it is interesting and more it is a contradictory because during the assembly election, batenge to katenge and ek hai to safe hai, those are the slogans given by the BJP during assembly elections campaign. And now we can, there are some right-wing organizations also, they were raising questions on the Waqf Board land dispute and every issues. And now exactly after the election, when Chief Minister of Maharashtra is yet to decide, some meetings are happening in Delhi. State government has declared. State government has given the GR, which reflects that 10 crore rupees amount as allotted to this Waqf Board of Maharashtra on the immediate basis. Department comes under Eknath Shinde's minister, and now we can see it is contradictory and interesting also, because when BJP and right-wing organizations were raising questions on this Waqf Board land issues, and now immediately after this, after the election, they have given allotted 10 crore rupees on immediate basis.
Omkar, give us a sense of, the hypocrisy here, the double speak here. Like you said, it's different because the centre, the government, the BJP-led government is in fact against the Waqf Board and certain decisions that takes. The attempt is being made to clip the wings, but here it's pretty different.
Exactly. Look, 20 crore rupees were already approved in last budget session of Maharashtra. It was interim budget presented by Finance Minister Ajit Pawar, and out of that 10 crore rupees immediately allotted. So the issue is not about the money, the issue is about the timing which government has cleared all these things, because on the one side where meetings are continuous meetings and marathon meetings are happening in Delhi to decide for Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and before that BJP government, especially elder brother of Mahayuti alliance, is declaring 10 crore rupees on immediate basis. So yeah, it is a hypocrisy, you can say.
And so what is the opposition now saying? Omkar.
Look, reactions are coming out now. At least till now, no opposition is raising question on this, because opposition is now occupied in protesting against EVM and everything. But after the India Today's news, there will be different kind of reactions in different issues, because right-wing organizations are also, they don't look happy when the government is releasing money to the Waqf Board, especially VHP, RSS. Some people from the same institutions were raising questions during election campaign. They had issues and there were controversy on the Waqf Board land dispute, and now same government who's claiming themselves as a messiah of a Hindu, and now they are allocating the money for the same Waqf Board, and that is why the hypocritical decision, and we can say that is why the questions are being raised on this government.
All right, Omkar Wable getting us those details. This information that we have with us right now is about the Mahayuti announcing 10 crore rupees for the Waqf Board. Mahayuti comprises of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the NCP led by Ajit Pawar and Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde. The caretaker government has made this big announcement in the state of Maharashtra. During the election campaign, the Bharatiya Janata Party, a key member of the Mahayuti government, had raised concerns regarding the management of the Waqf land. However, following the election results, the Mahayuti government has taken a decisive step by approving funds to enhance the functioning and infrastructure of the Waqf board.